Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make roasted broccoli with roasted garlic dressing. Just a few ingredients and less than 10 minutes of work. Even if you don't like broccoli, after you put the dressing on, you'll enjoy eating broccoli. First, heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Here's a head of broccoli that's been washed. Remove the tiny leaves. They are edible, I just like to remove them so it looks neater. Cut the florets off the stalk. And then into bite-sized pieces. Trim the end of the stalk, which is usually hard. Cut the stalk in half. Then peel the lower part and cut it up. The top part is more tender and doesn't need to be peeled. Put everything in a bowl and set aside. Here's a big head of garlic. You can use any size. This is just what I had. Cut the top off so all the cloves are exposed. Put the garlic on a piece of foil and drizzle a little olive oil on top. Rub it all over and fold the foil over. Put this foil packet in the corner of a baking sheet and cook it in the heated oven for 25 minutes. Season the broccoli with salt, ground black pepper, and olive oil. Mix it up. After 25 minutes, take the baking sheet out of the oven. It's really hot, so you want to be careful when putting the broccoli on the sheet pan. Spread with a spoon and make sure it's in a single layer. I put the cut side down so it'll get a nice color. Put it back in the oven for 20 minutes or until the broccoli looks golden. The garlic is cooked, but it's too hot to handle, so leave it alone for a few minutes. In the meantime, make the dressing. We'll need mustard. You can use spicy brown mustard, Dijon, yellow mustard, whatever you have. Some honey, chili flakes, apple cider vinegar, and salt. Mix that together. Add olive oil and whisk it up. Taste and adjust the salt or sweetness if you need to. Put the broccoli in a bowl. Now the garlic is cool enough to handle. Squeeze the garlic head right into a mortar and pestle or bowl. This is a lot of garlic, and I definitely won't be using all of it in this recipe. Again, my head of garlic was very big. If yours was small, you can use all of the garlic in this recipe. Mash it up. You can even use a fork. It's so soft and easy to turn into a paste by hand. You don't need a food processor. Here is the creamy garlic paste. It's caramelized, a little sweet, and doesn't have the sharp bite of raw garlic. I'll add some of this paste to the dressing. Whisk it up. Spoon the dressing over the broccoli and stir to combine. The broccoli is not overcooked. It's crisp tender. The creamy dressing is a little sweet, sour, and salty, with a hint of heat from the chili flakes. Definitely make this broccoli. You get a great tasting dish with minimal effort and few ingredients. If you want to get notifications when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.